my little newsie. And hey to my little munchies.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
So this is gonna be a combination video. So I address both my little newsies and my little munchies. And for my little newsies, I'm on my way to pick up my girl for the month, Elizabeth. And I'm not too sure we're gonna go out shopping, but I guess I'll meet you guys back when I get to my breakfast with her. And like I was telling my little munchies, over on that channel I'm doing my 7 days of meatless challenge, and today is day 3, and so I'm going to show you my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then with my little munchies, I'm gonna do a little munching. So I will be back. Okay, my little munchies, I am here in Jack in the Box. I have french fries, and I have a taco with the soy meat, lettuce, and there's no cheese in there. Now I'm gonna have to eat some. Hello, my little newsies. We are here at Subway, and this is day 3 of no meat. I have a veggie sub, 6-inch, with no cheese, and I have a bag of chips here, and then I have a raspberry iced tea. And Liz, you're not on camera, she has her ham and turkey on wheat. I have mine's on honey oat. She has hers on wheat, and I think we both have honey mustard, and she has Doritos and raspberry iced tea. Okay. Hey, my little newsies. We are going to Dollar Tree, me and Liz. So they can see we're going to Dollar Tree. Hello, little newsie. I'm gonna do your hair pretty. My munchies, I am here at Subway for lunch. I'm having my veggie sub I'm having chips. And I have a raspberry iced tea. And this is what my sandwich is looking like. I have spinach, tomatoes, olives, cucumbers, onions, pepperoni, and bell pepper and honey mustard. Good. And I have my bread toasted and no cheese. Did y'all miss it? I'm gonna try these chips. I didn't even open them. Hold on. Yeah. They smell like cumin. Smell like cumin. These chips smell like cumin. It's like it's full of cumin. Right? I love kettle chips, so let's give it a try. That's good. It has a spicy and kind of a sweet taste. I'm cold. It's only like 70 degrees outside, I think. We went to go to our regular Subway. They were working on the parking lot. I said, we're gonna come over here, bottom. This is like near the college. So they got us old folks up in here freezing up in here. That's where all the college kids go. I should have got soup, but they have chicken. Wait a minute. Too far from me to see. They have a homemade chicken noodle and broccoli cheddar. I don't want no cheese. You know I'm recording. She said the broccoli and cheddar is good, but that broccoli gives you so much gas. Not like them beans and rice gonna give me tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit no beans and rice in my stomach tonight. That tomato look like some meat in here. Oh my goodness. The music in the background. YouTube gonna give me a strike. Alright. My munchies, I'll be back for dinner. Okay, munchies, so this is my beans and my rice. So you see my tortilla. So it's my beans and my rice and my tortilla. And this is what I'm having. Okay, my munchies, so beans and rice. And my tortilla. So this is day number 3 of my meatless. Day 3 of my 7-day challenge. My meatless 7-day challenge. So it went good. So I hope you enjoy all 3 meals. And I will see you tomorrow. I don't know what I have planned to eat, but you shall see tomorrow. And I don't know if I'm going to do all 3 meals, but we shall see. So, I love you, munchies. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye. And for my little newsies, if I could say I love you, you can definitely love yourself.